Hey everyone, this is Sugar Coater. Happy holidays! In this video, I want to show you how easy it is to make these frozen inspired Northern Lights avocado cupcakes. So in a mixing bowl, add all the wet ingredients first. I know that I showed you 2 eggs in this video, but actually just use 1 egg. 2 eggs made it too dense. After all the wet ingredients are mixed well together, add in the dry ingredients and combine it. Then, divide the batter into 3 separate bowls and color them with food coloring. One bowl is purple, another bowl is blue, and then the third bowl is green. Afterwards, put the batter in a muffin pan and then bake the cupcakes. And then once the cupcakes are cooled completely, decorate the top with buttercream frosting. And to make sure these cupcakes are definitely related to the winter holiday, I added snowflake sprinkles. And then that's it. These cupcakes are easy and delicious to make. So if you give it a try, let me know in the comments. So have you seen a movie Frozen 2 yet? I saw it in theaters not too long ago and I thought that it's pretty good. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, happy holidays and have a sweet day.